Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that every ocean on Earth has vanished. Not frozen, not drained, just gone. The first thing people would notice isn't the missing water, it's the smell, because the ocean floor has been hidden for millions of years, and suddenly it's exposed to the air. Gigantic canyons, mountains, trenches, and the remains of countless sea creatures stretch across the planet. The Mariana Trench would become the deepest exposed location on Earth, nearly 7 miles straight down. Standing on the edge would be like staring into another world. At first, people would rush to explore. Governments would launch expeditions. Scientists would celebrate. Treasure hunters would lose their minds. Thousands of shipwrecks suddenly become accessible. Lost cargo, ancient artifacts, entire fleets thought to be gone forever. But the excitement wouldn't last long, because the oceans do more than hold fish. They regulate Earth's temperature. Without them, weather patterns begin collapsing almost immediately. Some regions become unbearably hot. Others become freezing cold. Hurricanes disappear. But so does the balance that keeps climates stable. Rainfall begins dropping worldwide. Rivers start shrinking. Lakes begin evaporating. Entire ecosystems collapse. Then comes the biggest problem. Oceans produce a huge portion of Earth's oxygen. Tiny organisms floating in seawater help create the air you breathe. Without them, oxygen levels slowly begin falling. Not immediately, but year after year. The atmosphere starts changing. Life becomes harder. Breathing becomes harder. The world becomes less hospitable. And then scientists make a terrifying discovery. The ocean floor isn't empty. It's covered in massive deposits of gases and chemicals that were never meant to be exposed. As temperatures rise, some begin leaking into the atmosphere. The planet enters a chain reaction. One problem creates another, and another, and another. Humanity would likely spend every resource it has trying to survive. Not to rebuild cities, not to become richer, just to survive. Because the oceans aren't just giant pools of water, they're one of the systems keeping Earth alive. And without them, the planet we know disappears too. Which means the real question isn't, what if the ocean disappeared? It's, how long could humanity survive after it did?